Hi, and welcome to English with Rick. You know, any time is a good time to learn the difference between pronouncing B and V. The B sound is pronounced sharply, it's quick, and it's not continuous. That means you can't make it for a long length of time. It just comes out all at once and only for a short time with a B sound. The V sound is a smooth sound, and you can make it continuously for quite a long length of time. You can tell when you're watching someone speak whether they're pronouncing a B or a V sound, because if you pay attention to the way lips are moving when these sounds are made, for the B sound, your lips start tightly pressed together. They're tense, and then they open a bit. But for the V sound, your lips are lightly opened and they stay relaxed. To make the B sound, you stop air from leaving your mouth. You keep it in there by closing your lips. The sound is made when you release air. You slightly open your lips. Your throat vibrates when you're making the B sound. You can make this sound without releasing very much air at all. B. Both of your lips, upper and lower, are a little tense when you're making the B sound. If you want to exaggerate the B sound, make your lips really tense, pull them in together, then release them and let out air. B. At the beginning of the B sound, close your lips and slightly tense them. At the end of the B sound, your lips are slightly open and relaxed. The V sound is different from the B sound. For the V sound, you open your mouth slightly. Your teeth are apart, and that's quite a lot like making the F sound, often made when you see the letter F. Your top lip is completely relaxed. Your jaw is nearly closed. Your bottom lip is very lightly pressed against the bottom of your top front teeth when you make the V sound. You push your tongue lightly to the bottom of your mouth. And when you do that, air will gently move across the top of your tongue and out through your front teeth. That's again similar to the F sound. Your throat vibrates when you're making the V sound. There is a vibrating also between your lower lip and your top front teeth. If you do it for a while, it can actually start to tickle. This is a continuous sound. You can make it for quite a long length of time. When you make the V sound, your lips are pretty relaxed and slightly open. This is English with Rick. You can find these free podcasts wherever you look for podcasts, really, like on Spotify or YouTube, wherever you find them. Just look for English with Rick. Rick is spelled R-I-K. You can also reach me at englishwithrick@gmail.com. Again, R-I-K. If you decide to support me at patreon.com for $5 a month, you can find me there at English with Rick. You can get longer podcasts, more detailed lessons. You can get material that goes along with the lesson, like transcripts. And you'll also get activities that will help you practice the things that you learn during the podcast. That's $5 a month at patreon.com. I hope you have fun practicing the difference between the B and the V sound. Bye for now.